G'day guys, welcome to Open Exhaust Models. This is Paul here. I'm just here with a bit of an update. I've been working on my truck that goes with the hauler. I've just got some exhaust parts there. I've got the motor, the flathead there, and some welding bottles there, a few other bits. I sort of gave it a black primer and then a sort of only light coats of iron so that a little bit of the black comes through, but I still give it a polish. I don't know, just to give it a bit of a used look, I suppose. Just put that light on there, you can see better. That's what I've got so far. I'll put that seat in there with the chassis. No worries. And that's my hauler there. I've got that on. I did put a couple of little decals on there. This is sort of in the back section I put on, so that'll look good with the truck pulling it. I've done all around the windows and everything like that. There's the bed. I've just done a little bit of pitting on that back door, nothing over the top. Just make it look a little bit used. So that's what I've got so far, guys. Oh well, it's just a little update. And I've got a few photos here of how I got to this point. No worries, hope you enjoyed that. Okay guys, I'll catch you in the next one, eh? Have a great day.